It is really normal to feel that your music is lacking that special something, particularly when you're starting out. But this phase can last for a chunk of time and it can keep coming back. But know this, it's an essential part of the creative journey. We all go through it. Anyone who tells you that they don't or they haven't had some kind of struggle in this area is BS. Basically, they're dropping it big time. And because of this, and because this is true, you have to have the stomach for the fight. Have to be prepared to roll your sleeves up. There'll be good days and bad days. There'll be music that you're really happy with that feels like it's further along than you are, and music that feels like it's way behind. There'll be peaks, troughs, plateaus, all of that stuff. The way to sustain yourself through that and to build a really solid foundation for yourself is to focus on the reasons why you love showing up to write music, the reasons why you love the process, the reasons why you love the act of being creative, rather than obsessing about and attaching your self-worth and the value of what you do purely on the quality of the music that you write.